Welcome back to King 5 News. Looking out our window here across from what used to be Safeco Field, T-Mobile Park. It's raining on the street. Kind of been drizzly all day, Craig, hasn't it?
Yeah, and what we're going to get over the next several hours is going to be quite a bit of rain. So this is all changed. We've got a little bit of a break, but the rainfall totals on the coast, pretty impressive.
Oh, I bet.
Very impressive. Almost 4 inches. Look at that. Quileute and Forks, almost 4 inches of rain as of 5 p.m. Of course, those numbers will continue to go up as this front is now moving in. Seattle collected about 0.6, or a little more than 0.6, a little more than an inch in Bremerton, 1.37 in Shelton. The rain shadow effect up to the north, yeah, rainfall total is not all that impressive, but things will change overnight. You'll get a little more by tomorrow. Winds has been another big story for us, especially through the islands. We've got winds right now at about 20 miles per hour sustained. Wind advisory for the northwest interior expires at 7 p.m. and along the coast in place till 10 p.m. Also, I mentioned this earlier, but important to note, the avalanche warning is still in place through 6 p.m. We've got a lot of rain coming in, and look at this. This is the front. This is the leading edge of the front. The backside continues to filter on in, and it has a whole lot of moisture to work with. So where you see those shades of orange, again, a ½ an inch of rain per hour that's coming down. A lot of it right along the coast, the Olympic Peninsula, really ringing out as well. Right over to the northwest interior, scattered showers there. A bit of the rain shadow effect for Mount Vernon, Camino Island, Everett, not so bad. You've got some more heavy rain for the commute this afternoon, and into tomorrow it will become scattered. So it's this evening that we're getting most of the rain. As a result, we continue with the flood watch through Saturday morning. This is for all of the rivers, a lot of them approaching flood stage, especially early tomorrow morning. High surf advisory begins at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then we're going to see some swells along the coast, 20 to 22 feet. This is in place through Friday at 4 p.m. So most of those, the higher swells coming in early tomorrow morning. Winter storm warning begins at 10 p.m. this evening, takes us through Friday, 6 p.m. above 3,500 feet. The snow levels have been pretty high. But after midnight, they drop at about 3,500 feet, 12 to 18 inches of fresh snow. Boy, that's some great news for the ski resorts after today's snowfall levels have been hovering close to 5,000 feet. So through the weekend, snowfall levels remaining at about 3,000 feet, then 2,000 feet, and we'll still have some moisture to work with. Now, this is what we're dealing with tonight. Yeah, the atmospheric river pointed directly at us. High resolution model from the University of Washington, 6 p.m. Here comes the front. Shades of yellow coming in. The wind's not quite as strong. It's the rain that's going to be the big deal. 9 p.m. you've got the middle of the front coming through. 11 p.m. you've still got some more heavy rain. And then by the time we get to 1:30, the backside of that storm starts to move on out. And then scattered showers for early tomorrow morning. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Plan on some rain early tomorrow morning, on and off showers throughout the weekend. And then Greg and Mark, we've got another nice one coming in on Monday.